Every Jeep Renegade owner knows this problem right here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it once and for all. As you see here, this is happening on all 4 doors. So this is a very common issue. So let's get into the video. I'm going to show you step by step on how to fix it. All right, the first thing you want to do is locate all the screws and all the bolts. So I know we got a screw down here. It's going to be a Phillips right here. Then in here is going to be a hex bolt. So you're going to start with this one. So we got to pop this off. Okay, another hex bolt. Oh, right there. Shit. I don't want to strip it. Oh, we got our Phillips down here. Put it up. Oh, you know what? 2 screws right here and there. Okay, everything pop now, you just push it up. First, I'm gonna disconnect this. This looks like maybe the speaker. Okay. Then we're gonna take the easy one out. You gotta remember, see, this one's crisscross. Normally they don't do that. Normally they even. Okay. Oh shit. Now we gotta squeeze that. Gotcha. Okay, there's 2 ways you can do it. You can do it the hard way. Where a plastic welder and take all these out. Yeah, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do it the easy way. We're just gonna rip this old material off and we're gonna tuck it. Now this fold, we're gonna start off by just rubbing it with our hand. Okay, next I'm about to clean as much as I can with my shop vac. Now I'm going over it with a nylon brush and really getting it clean. Then I'm gonna finish off one last time with a shop vac. Okay, next here I'm gonna spray everything with contact cement. I'm doing the material first, and then I'm gonna do the door panel. After that, I'm gonna let it sit for about 15 to 25 minutes and then stick it together. Also, if you want to order these replacement insert panels, they will be available on our website. Link will be in the description. Okay, this is what I'm going to use to clean up all the glue overspray. All right, let's go and check out the before and after.